This is at the club today, here on January the 7th. The O-scale layout. Running a big boy there. Our president's big boy. Some of the older line L today. Get a good shot of that big boy coming down the track. Some older line L. This is our club layout for the O-scale guys, line L. They're running some older stuff today. Looking good here. Hopefully when we get our HO done, kind of flash across. This is a little layout we had set up for Christmas. We still got it up. Just a little temporary layout. People can have something to see. There is my PS4 and a couple of Southern cars. It's running it. There's a little DC layout. That PS4 is a Riverossi, and she's about 20 years old. Great little product. Great little locomotive there. Scanning up, you can see the HO layout. Some of the stuff that's going on. This is going to be our new bridge area. You can see we've already got scenic for the HO. Running on down here. The bottom of it there. I'm going to try to be, Bob. Okay.
That's true, yeah.
And here is the HO layout under construction here at our new area, which is in the Myrtle Beach Mall. Used to be the old Briarcliffe Mall. Where that train's going to be is going, and then it's going to come on around. We've got a lot of area here to play with. It's our N-scale layout over there, our modular N. And we take the shows, you can kind of get a view of that. Some N-scale stuff running. The N-scale layout. Down there where they're building the permanent N-scale layout. So anyway, a lot of guys here today working on the layout. Excuse me. Coming on down for the N-scale. Construction of the N-scale. Kind of an N-scale yard area here. There's the workroom. Right now we're removing, taking track from the old HO layout, what we've taken and saved, and going through it and dremeling the pieces off and going from there. We were able to save some of the track from the old layout. This is going to be our staging area for the HO and the new layout. As you can see, it's going to go right out. All the staging area there. It's our work area back here. Some of the more in-scale work. A lot to do, but any event. Alright YouTube, I'll update you as soon as we get going on over here. This area is going to be where we're going to have a really nice engine facility over here with a roundhouse, full big Walters roundhouse, and so got a lot of stuff planned for this layout. Alright, and this is Law Bench 191 signing off.